IronMQ is the fastest industrial-strength, cloud-agnostic message queue service available today. Built from the ground up with the understanding that message speed and throughput gives an edge over competition through stability and scalability. IronMQ has the ability to supercharge your business's workflow. Highly available and persistent by design, with best effort one-time delivery, IronMQ has demonstrated significant benefits for users ranging from startups scaling rapidly to small-medium businesses seeking operational improvement to established global enterprises with enormous message traffic and critical stability requirements. Whatever your developer requirements, IronMQ is modular and robust to suit your business's individual needs and dreams. Need enterprise-grade support? We're available via Slack 24/7 with response time averaging 45 seconds. Handling highly sensitive or confidential material? IronMQ is highly secure and available as an on-premise solution, able to run your own hardware in any cloud and complying with companies with high compliance requirements like AWS GovCloud. Synchronizing perfectly with the utility Ironworker brings, IronMQ can form the backbone of your modern business architecture, helping to propel you ahead of the competition on functionality, response times, and adaptability. All our plans are free for 14 days, so try us today and supercharge your business with IronMQ in minutes. IronMQ, the lightning-fast message queue.